Hi, greetings and salutations. Here with my buddy Martin. He's behind the camera. Say hi, Martin.
Hello.
I'm going to try to put the glass in this thing myself. We tried the front glass and it didn't pan out so well for us, so we're going to try the back glass now. Oh, jeez, man. Dude, stop farting.
I did. That's just lingering.
Alright, I'm going to start here.
Oh yeah, I'm pushing, right?
Apply some pressure right here,
Yeah.
and I'm working this way. So I got the string inside the groove that goes around the pinch weld. Martin's on the outside, and I'm just pulling that over the pinch weld. Now, the back window's not so bad because there's pinch weld all the way around. The windshield's not the same. It only has, what, about 2/3 of the way around, and there's a couple little pin, ouch, like pins that the gasket sets on the leading edge of the windshield. So we're having some difficulty getting that in place. Try something a little bit different with the windshield glass, but let's finish this out for right now. Okay, the issue they've been having with this is that I suspect this probably is the wrong gasket. This looks like it might be. Where's my trim? This is my trim. Let's see. Yeah, this is likely the wrong gasket. Glass goes in there. Well, maybe not. I don't know. But the problem is that this doesn't go into a pinch weld. It just, you got these little knockouts that rides inside the groove there. And the pinch weld starts right here. And the problem is that we can't use that method. I'll show you in a minute. On the inside there's a flap over here that covers up the headliner. That's part of the gasket. And yeah, so probably going to try to do the string method on the glass. Yeah?
Yeah, give it a try.
Give it a try, and if that don't work, then I'll probably have to go let Safelite rate me. Drag it there backwards. Okay, this is part of the windshield gasket, and that's what covers up the headliner. And once the visors are in and the rear view mirror, you won't hardly even notice that. But oh, that's not quite in right there. Oh, there it is.
Now it is.
Now it is. So, windshield's in. Woo! It's warm. You wouldn't know it, but it's like the day after Election Day. And what a shit show that turned out to be. It continues to be. But it's hotter than Hades in this garage. It's got to be, what, 85?
Yeah.
Well, I can tell you. I can tell you how hot it is in here. It's 85. 85.
You know what we're talking about.
Yeah. I'm not nearly as dumb as I look. So, thanks to my good friend Martin at the Martinbuilt channel, checked out the link to his channel down below. Stop over, say hi, tell him I sent you. And thanks to him, I saved myself $150.
No problem.
Yeah, you're welcome. So, just for reference, let's compare this to the square body, because it's very different on the square body. Oh, feels almost cool out here, dude. This window has a pinch weld that this gasket fits on, and the glass fits into this. It goes all the way around the thing, and it's relatively easy to install. That's a piece of tempered glass, so if you break it, it shatters into a gazillion pieces. The windshield here is similar in design, except it has a locking strip. This little centerpiece right here is a locking strip. So you put the gasket in, and then you can manipulate the receiving lip of the glass. You can get the glass started and work yourself around, and then get it in, and then you put this lock strip in, and it locks everything together. Much preferred method, I think, but Mopar decided they had a better way, and I don't think it was very much better. Hey, this is Diesel Freak from the future. Martinbuilt is already gone, but I waited until it was a little cooler out here to come out and check out my front windshield gasket, and I discovered something. So see this here? I was like concerned about what I was going to do about this. And it turns out you take this and you fold it back into the gasket like so. Check it on the other side. Like that. It's wonderful. Look at that. Now I'll be able to put my trim on. Let's go back to the past and we'll close this video out. Okay. So if you like what you saw, smash the like button and share it with your vast social media network. That helps the channel a lot, feeds the algorithm. Lets you all know that I'm not such a bad fellow after all, and gets this video in front of more eyeballs. Appreciate that if you can do that. If you haven't subbed to this channel, consider doing that, and then click the little bell icon too. That way you'll get post notifications. Go visit Martin over at the Martinbuilt channel. Tell him I sent you. And if you'd like to support this channel, there's a few ways you can do that. I'm an Amazon affiliate. Check the links in the description. You can do all your Amazon shopping through those links. If you want to throw me a couple of bucks, there's PayPal. And if you want to support this channel for as low as $3 a month, there's Patreon. Thank you in advance. You can afford to do that. And if you can't afford to do it, don't worry about it. It's okay. Enjoy the content anyway. Just means we're probably related. So until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, have a splendid day. I'll see you next time.
Bye now.
Bye.